it does not belong to length, breadth, depth. The circuit is not passing through length, breadth, depth. If it passes through length, breadth, depth, it has to be plugged only into third eye. So what happens once your third eye is corroded or eroded? Whatever I may be revealing, I may be doing, one chunk is always, that is not for me. Now that problem does not exist with these three powers today, which I am going to initiate. Because this power is directly consciousness over matter.
The Shastra Pramana for the power of consciousness over matter is taken from the Shiva Sutras, Sutra 3.18. Swamatra nirmanam apadayati. Swamatra nirmanam apadayati.
The circuit is not third eye. The circuit connection is root center, which is there in every one of you. If you are alive, your root, you have Muladhara. So it does not require any purification or preparation. Anybody who is alive can manifest this power because it is consciousness over matter. The power of consciousness over matter means the hara, below the navel, Manipuraga, above the Swadhisthana. In that area, that hara center is there. That hara will be alive as long as you are alive. So anybody who is alive can manifest this power because this connection is not through third eye, it is through hara. The plugging in is happening through hara center. Actually, hara, I should say, through Muladhara to hara. Hara itself cannot be connected. So through Muladhara only you can reach the hara. So the whole circuit is different. So all of you can express first power. Anything you visualize, you can download it into any silicon matter, like a hard drive, the hard drive or a pen drive in anything. Hold it, visualize, tuck, and you play that, it will open up. Understand? See, hold the pen drive, look at some scene or somebody or anything, just with your eyes, click, camera, and put it into the pen drive. You put that pen drive, that scene will open up. That scene will be digital data, like a photograph. You can work on it. You can cut, edit, paste, Photoshop, send. Silicon matter, silicon, and the whole, this electrified silicon, and this which carries the memory, that memory will be under your consciousness instruction. For example, if you visualize something and hold the pen drive, it will be downloaded into that. You can play it, it will come like a digital data. Software is ready, done. I have used special Vibhuti and ghee and Jnananjana and programmed it here. Now it will be given. Balasans will use this power even to download the Akashic records, because anything which comes in your visualization can be downloaded. All you guys can download whatever you can see, visualize. They will visualize and download even what is going on in the Mars, in the all those things also they can visualize. Whatever they see in the Krishna Shila, all that they can download. All that they can download. So this is the first power. Second power, this actually the circuit goes through the third eye. So maybe Balasans will express immediately. The others may take little time. Actually, even though it is plugged in the Muladhara, it goes up to the third eye. See, it's like you inhale and hold the battery and exhale into the battery, it will be charged. Inhale, the air goes inside your body, hold the battery and exhale, it will be charged. The air Air will become electricity and it will be stored into the batteries. Into the battery, this circuit actually is plugged into the Mooladhara, but it goes up to third eye. So what will happen? Balasans will immediately charge 100%. You may charge like a 10%, 9%. Actually, with this we can measure how much of your third eye percentage is open. Because the circuit is from Mooladhara to third eye, the whole circuit, the inhaling and then putting it. So we can now clearly see, if you catch the empty battery, 0% battery, 0% your iPad or phone, and hold and do this, we can clearly measure the level of your third eye opening. How much your third eye is opened. You can clearly find. The first power, listen, anything you can visualize and it will be downloaded into the cell phone memory or the hard drive or the pen drive, anything you can. That's the first power. The second power, inhale and hold the battery. It will get charged. You can see very clearly. And the third power, this is the most important, from one electricity, means one battery to another battery, just through mind you can transmit the power, electricity. You don't need to connect it. Keep two battery and look at both. Inhale from here and exhale into that, the power will be transmitted. So from yesterday night and today morning, I have programmed these three powers into a software. It's now ready for initiation. See, always when I describe, it will all look like a, what is this, what is this? So when you manifest, you will understand. And the third power is also independent of third eye. Only second power is dependent on third eye. Third power is independent of third eye. It is not dependent on third eye. It is only plugged into your hara center. So, in spite of whether you are adult or kid, first and third power you guys will be able to manifest. The first and third power requires only you being alive. You are still breathing and alive. That's all is required. Nothing else is required. And Shakti Nipada can happen. Second power only needs third eye also cooperating. It's because the circuit is connected from hara to third eye. Actually, you guys can scan any document, anything, and directly whatever you see in your eyes, you can just download it into pen drive and come back. Any power source to power source, you don't need third eye. No, even electricity I'm saying. From electricity, you can inhale from that plug and put it into the battery. Any electricity, any source of electricity. It does not need to be only from battery to battery. No. You can just inhale and you fix the meter, that meter will show that electricity being sucked. And you can breathe into battery. And all these are automatic. How much voltage need to be taken, how much need to go in, it's automatic intelligence. You will not have a shock or electrocution and all that. These are automatic intelligence of your body and the air, prana. Today, 3 power initiation, 2 does not need third eye. Freedom from third eye. It is just dependent on consciousness, not on third eye. 10,000 volt and just 10 volt. 10 volt is you are alive. 10,000 volt is the third eye. So this whole circuit is now plugged into 10 volt itself. So does not require 10,000 volt as a precondition for the power to manifest. So you neither need to be Balasant nor need to be having third eye. Nothing, no prerequisite. So these are the new set of powers I am developing without any prerequisite or pre-training, where you will not feel, oh, Balasants are manifesting, we are not. That problem will not be there. It is just consciousness based. If you are conscious, that's all. You will manifest it. Just little Shakti Nipada. Means the Shakti Nipada only need to happen. Now that will happen. That's all. Yes, listen. Now I'm going to initiate you. After that, these three powers. How to manifest? One, the first power. Anything you can see or visualize, you can download into any silicon memory. Like a hard drive, pen drive, in anything you can download. Just hold the pen drive or the cell phone. Whatever you wanted to capture, just use the eyes like a camera and give an instruction, get downloaded. And open, it will open up. And once open, it is like a digital data. You can Photoshop, upload, download, send, do anything you want, like a digital memory, digital data. No, for everybody in every department, it will be useful. You guys can play with this power anywhere you want. This is the first power. For this, the plug-in is Mooladhara, so you don't need your third eye awakened state. You may have toxin, fluoride, nothing is a problem. It is independent of third eye. See, if your third eye is complete, pure, open, you can visualize what is going on in the Mars and all and download. If not, whatever you can see with two eyes, you can download. That's all. That is the only difference. But the power is for everyone. Power is for everyone. You can actually, anything you can see, you can visualize, you can download into any silicon, electrified silicon object. And it is consciousness over the matter. So it does not need awakened third eye. With awakened third eye now, for example, the kids, with awakened third eye, they do Akashic reading. Na? The whole thing they can download in a pen drive and give it to you. You can go home and see in your iPad, laptop, and the whole thing will be there like a full visual and verbal. Even the remote house scanning, the whole thing, it will record it like a video. See how they enter into the house, how they see each room, like that the whole thing will be recorded in HD. And they can just download that into the pen drive and give it to you. You can immediately open and see the whole thing as if they walked into your house. It will be there. You guys will see it now. Now you guys will do the demo, because it's not dependent on the third eye. That's the first power. Second power, listen. Actually, this gets connected to Hara center, goes up to third eye. Any battery you can pick up in the hand, inhale the air, exhale into the battery, it will be charged. Any battery. Inhale the air, exhale into the battery, it will be charged. Kids will charge 100%. You will charge like a 10%, 20%, like this, yours will go. Because the involvement of third eye is also there in this. That's the second power. Third power, no involvement of third eye. It is independent of third eye. You can just transfer power to power. One battery bank to another one battery bank. Or from the electricity, the plug, you just look at the plug and inhale and exhale into the battery bank. Any silicon. All three powers. Come on. So now all three powers are programmed as a software and put in that Jnananjana, which you now received. So I'll have to do the initiation now. It takes around 3 minutes. So, come on, sit straight. Because it is not involved with third eye, you don't need to close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes open or close, up to you. Third eye is not involved, so just don't sleep, that's all. It will be good if you keep your eyes open, so you will not sleep. Done. You guys can start manifesting. Now pick up, start playing with the first. You see, you have to do first power, next power, third power, like that. Because all the three are programmed like that. Start manifesting the first power. Don't waste more than 3 minutes. Then go to the next power. Then go to the next power. Only 3 minutes maximum. If you waste more than 3 minutes, you will start falling asleep, drowsy and all that. Don't bother. I am doing the Shakti Nipada now. Start. You can pick up your cell phones now. See, just pick up the cell phone and capture whatever you want to capture. Actually, for this and all, you can capture my photograph. Now, photograph is allowed. Only listen. Only through your both eyes and third eye. You can't use the camera now. You can use your eyes, both the eyes and third eye, and photograph me and download it into your cell phone now. You don't bother about third eye. Just use your eyes and click and give instruction. Get downloaded. You will see that photograph will just pop up. This scene will pop up in your screen. Start. Maximum 3 minutes. Don't wait after that. It will be there actually in your saved photos. The moment you click and put it, it will be there in your saved photos. You can keep that saved photos album open. So the moment this photo pops up, you know it is done. Because I programmed the software to my level of clarity and detail. When I see you, I can see every pore. To that quality I have programmed the